Audio content from Panasonic. Smart answers to tough problems. Today, we're sharing a case study from one of our valued customers, the City of Hialeah Fire Department in Miami-Dade County, Florida. Firefighters there have been using Panasonic Toughbook mobile devices for more than a decade. They work in tough conditions, too. There's both the extreme heat of Florida summers and the hazardous emergency scenarios they contend with daily. As you can imagine, they needed to protect their investment in mobile technology. Let's walk through how they engaged Panasonic Pro Services and how that helped them stay focused on their mission to protect Hialeah residents and visitors. When you call 911 in Hialeah, Florida, a team from the City of Hialeah Fire Department, HFD, is dispatched to the scene. With 20 fire and rescue units across 8 stations, HFD is responsible for answering 30,000 calls each year, largely incidents that require an EMS response. For these first responders, having as much information as possible when they reach the scene of an emergency ensures faster treatments and safer outcomes for all involved. And they have some challenges. To help them handle all those emergency calls each year, the City of Hialeah Fire Department needed a reliable mobile technology solution that ensured they were always outfitted with the right equipment to get the job done. They were looking for a solution that gave them 3 things. 1. Limited downtime. 2. Guarantee of a fast turnaround on repairs. And 3. A comprehensive warranty to protect their investment. Fortunately, the fire department found the solution it needed with Panasonic. The fire department knew that it needed to invest in a mobile computing solution, and after careful research, it decided Toughbook mobile computers were the right solution to suit current and future needs. Ultimately, the department chose Panasonic for its reputation as the premier manufacturer of rugged mobile computers, as well as its industry-leading pro services warranty offerings. HFD knew that Toughbook devices had a proven reputation for durability and performance that would be up to the task. HFD adopted its first Toughbook mobile device over a decade ago, and the department has continued to invest in Panasonic's rugged mobility solutions to help deliver information and communications capabilities to fire and rescue teams ever since. Next up, let's walk through some outcomes. Today, the fire department has equipped its fire and rescue workers with Toughbook fully rugged laptops, giving them the tools and information they need that hold up against tough conditions. Those long, hot Florida summers you heard me talk about, heavy rains, hurricane season, plus the daily hazardous emergency scenarios that accompany any fire and rescue operation, including bumps, drops, and exposure to dirt and moisture. Firefighters really put their equipment to the test. Now, when a device gets damaged, they turn to Panasonic's reliable pro services warranty programs to get it up and running as quickly as possible. Since making the decision to adopt Toughbook laptops, HFD has been able to better serve its communities, relying on these mobile devices to give firefighters invaluable insights into how to approach and address emergency situations. Tied into their computer-aided dispatch system, their fleet of Toughbook computers has become a critical tool, mounted in emergency response vehicles and allowing fast, reliable sharing of information, from the status of patients to the locations of fire hydrants. This critical system is only useful if the technology is reliable, and for the HFD, this was where the department truly experienced the Panasonic difference. Here's what Lieutenant Urbano Menendez had to say about it. "We're rough on our equipment. We break axes, we break sledgehammers, and even our Toughbook computers take a beating. What makes the difference for us is knowing that when our devices do experience issues, Panasonic is there to get us up and running quickly and responsively." The fire department knew that the devices it adopted would likely face rough conditions, especially as they were often removed from vehicles to help take down medical reports at the scene of an emergency. Because of that, HFD realized the importance of a technology partner that offered a comprehensive warranty and service solution to get them up and running quickly in the event of a hardware failure. The department decided to protect its investments by opting into Panasonic's Pro Services Protection Plus coverage, which augments the standard warranty with no-fault accident coverage, perfect for users facing the most extreme work environments. With this coverage, Toughbook users receive prompt repair or replacement of devices, avoiding unexpected costs. Lieutenant Menendez added, "Truly, the Panasonic warranty and pro services team are amazing, and without that peace of mind, our department would not function nearly as well as it does. The most impressive thing we've seen is the turnaround time. When something does go wrong, we make a quick phone call, send out the device for repair, and have a repaired or replaced device in just 3 days. The service is professional and rock solid. Even when things go wrong, they go right." As its technology needs have evolved, HFD has continued to turn to Panasonic, and the department credits its positive service experiences as a key factor in staying with Toughbook mobile devices. Let's conclude with some parting thoughts from Lieutenant Menendez, who said, "We rely on these devices to better serve our community, and we know they're going to go into some unforgiving scenarios that do take a toll on them. Without the right support, we could be left with a device that doesn't do what we need it to do. But Panasonic does it right. It's a great, reliable product and a solid warranty to go along with it." Thank you for listening to this success story from Hialeah Fire Department. Check out more case studies and other interesting resources available at toughbook.com.